Alright, so here we go with the 1C. It has been restored. You can see the board looks okay. There were a couple of scratches here that I could not make disappear, but otherwise I think it's in good shape. Still have to apply the oil treatment for the hammer tone finish, but otherwise it works okay. Goes all the way up. I think the column cleaned up pretty well. It's all chrome and shiny. Not sure if that's a good thing, but that's what it is. Here we have the AM glass. The lens is not in yet. But what I want to show now is how does it work with the timer. So the timer is Hirsch something as the logo. You still have to find out what goes on with these protruding elements, but you know, I'll find out. Yeah, the ground is not yet connected, but it's fully wired under the baseboard. And once I figure everything out, then I'll just connect it up to the mains. And so the timer is connected to the bottom, to the electric socket, goes through here. The enlarger is already plugged into the wall. We have a switch over here on the side, which if I turn on, then the light comes on. So that's how it works. So this is basically, if you were to think of a modern timer, then this would be focus. So it's not really on and off, it's a focus thing. So when I turn this on, it's basically, you know, the enlarger is on. Okay, now I turn it off, and now, you know, the switch is off. But if I go on with the timer, and let's put it to, let's say, 5 seconds. If I operate the timer, it's a fully mechanical timer, then you see the light comes on. So that's what I'm saying, this is not an off switch, because there is no way to switch the enlarger off. Because the timer is fully under power, and as soon as I operate it, you know, the current flows through all the way to the enlarger bulb and it goes. It's a really neat timer. We have several functions, so now it's on 5 and it operates as 5 seconds. But if I move this switch over to the 1 option, then it's gonna be half a second. Really neat. So if I want, let's say 2.2 seconds, then I would do this and it goes like that. Alrighty.